Hello guys, welcome back to next tips. On today's video I'm going to be explaining to you what is expert advisor, which is EA, and why you should trade with expert advisor if you have not been profitable in the forex markets. And here is the reason. So you're going to be paying attention. I'll explain to you what is expert advisor and the best expert advisor out there, the best trading robot, and why you should trade with this particular robot. Okay, so on this particular video, you're gonna learn all this. So you already know that I trade with expert advisor, which is robot trading, and the reason why is just to manage my emotion and manage my capital. So EA actually stands for expert advisor, and it's as simple as trading with automated trading bots. Okay, now I'm going to show you the reason why most traders trade with expert advisor. Number one, to reduce emotion. Most traders trade with emotion and which end up blowing up their account. Number two is risk management, which is very important when it comes to forex trading. Okay, trading without risk management, maybe not placing your stop loss, is just as good as losing all your capital. Okay, be listing all the types of trading bots so that you can know the difference of the trading bots and know the ones you want to purchase. So we have a scalping trading bot. A scalping trading bot, this type of trading bots can actually place a trade and immediately place a TP and SL after the trade. So if the trade hits TP, it's going to place more and more and continuously. Okay, and we have a trend trading bot. This particular trading bot follows a trend to place a trade. Okay, you might be the one to close it, or you set it, let the bot be closing this particular trade for you. Okay, and the last one is a day trading bot. This particular trading bot can hold a trade for up to 2 days or even a week, depending on your patience to monitor this particular trading bot. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys the best trading bot right now that everyone is using to make a lot of money in the forex market. So bear with me, I'll show you my screen. I'm going to be installing this particular trading bot on my MT5 on a $5,000 account, and we will show you guys how it works. Showing you the best trading bot I've ever purchased this particular year. Okay, this trading bot works like magic and it doesn't have time to even wait. Okay, so how to install it, I'll show you on this video. If you're interested, you get this bot and stop blowing up your account. So let me show you guys how this particular bot works on BTC USD. This is BTC USD. I'm going to open new chart on BTC USD, and I'm going to put this bot on M5, which is 5 minutes time frame. And what I'm going to do here is just to drag the bot to my trading view. Okay, if you don't know how to install this particular bot, there are videos I'm going to tag on this particular video in the comment section to learn how to install your trading bot if you're a beginner, and how to direct your trading bot to your chart. Okay, you can see here, this is the sniper trading bot. This is the best trading bot out there. You can check it on MT5, but I'm going to be sharing you a link that you can get it for a cheaper price. Okay, how to do it is just to drag the trading bot right here and put on your trading view, trading screen. Okay, you can see the bot just placed a trade, which is sell on BTC USD, and you can see my TP here. This is actually my TP, and my SL should be up. Okay, so this trading bot, how it works is it can adjust. If you find out you're making a lot of profit, it can adjust your TP and you make more profit. And if this trading bot find out that you're already in profit and the market is reversing, it's going to adjust, okay, and break even. Okay, this is the trading bot that everyone should be using if you want to stop blowing up your account. Okay, so what I'm going to do next just here is just to increase my lot size, because I actually want to be on this trade. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just to set my lot size on a new trade which is going to be placing. So to do that, here I'm going to go to input, and my lot size here, instead of 0.01, I'm going to do 0.05. So that's what I'm going to do on this trading bot, and I'm good to go. Okay, I'm going to be sleeping now while the trade will be running, and once the trade hit my TP, another trade is going to place. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.